So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this Jaguar PACE in for our level 1 protection package as well as front end PPF. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. What's going on guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this stunning Jaguar PACE at the studio for our level 1 protection package plus front end PPF. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. As always, first up, whilst the car is outside, we'll give it a thorough clean to remove any contaminants that are on the car before we bring it into the studio. Don't forget, when we are decontaminating a vehicle, we are using all our own products, so if you do need any detailing products, don't forget to head over to the store. The link is in the description. Now the car's been decontaminated and looking all clean, we can bring it back into the studio and get started with applying the Expel PPF. With full front end, this PACE will get the bonnet, bumper, arches, A-pillars and wing mirrors all protected. Now that the PPF has been applied and that's looking fantastic, we can take the wheels outside to clean the barrels and faces thoroughly before applying CeramicPro wheel and caliper. With the wheels now all clean, we'll coat them a little later on, but first we'll show you a few of the imperfections that are on the PACE before we start our machine polish. Callum will now go around the entire car with a mixture of the Roops 5-inch polisher as well as the Flex PXE82. The larger polisher will be more effective and less time consuming on the larger areas, whereas the Flex PXE80 can be used with either a 3-inch or 1-inch backing plate, meaning we can get into all of the tight spots safely. If you are interested, we did film a review of the Flex Nano Polisher, which is live on the channel, so head over to the channel and give that a watch if that's something you're interested in. with our multi-stage paint correction, we can start applying CeramicPro wheel and caliper. We're going to coat the barrels with an applicator pad and then use our spray gun for the faces. So with the wheels now coated, we can move on to start applying the CeramicPro 9H. With our level 1 package, the car will get a single layer of 9H, which is the hardening layer, followed by a single layer of CeramicPro top coat. Now that the 9H has been applied, we have to leave that to cure overnight so we can put the wheels back on the car and move it into our handover base. With the layer of 9H now cured, we can start applying this CeramicPro top coat with our spray gun. So with the CeramicPro top coat now applied, that should leave the car with a high gloss finish as well as the hydrophobic properties also. So as you can see here, we make sure to remove any signs of dealership protection and add our own CeramicPro sticker. So now that the car's got the seal of approval with our CeramicPro sticker, that's the protection package all done, and this Jaguar PACE is now looking incredible. Thanks for watching this week's video. If you haven't already, click that bell icon to be notified when we upload. If you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.